Hi, I'm Lisa Yates from BenQ UK. I look after the Jamboard channel within the UK. Jamboard is exclusively distributed through BenQ. Jamboard is Google's digital whiteboard, so it's a whiteboard that sits within the cloud. You can connect up to 50 devices into any Google Jamboard session. So you can go board to board, as we are here, so we're connected board to board or board to device, both Android and Apple phone and tablet. The concept and idea is whiteboard in the cloud, so you get a blank canvas, you get a set of tools, and from any device, from anywhere, you get that same collaborative experience. It's about teams coming together and working together in the same space. It's got complete integration with G Suite, so you can open up docs, sheets and slides, as well as PDFs, so you can bring your content into the jam session and work together. So you'll see here, we're working with a company called Inky Thinkers who are producing some artwork for us today using things like images from the web, sticky notes, text-based content as well. The tools are designed to be really simple and intuitive, so it's a simple palette of tools that you can use for a whiteboarding experience. If you'd like to find out more about Jamboard or any of the BenQ products, you can visit benq.eu for more information.